happy birthday to you. Kami lang dito. No. Blow the candle. Sige. Blow ka the candle. Ay!
Ay, kailangan ng tapang ni GM.
Sige na yun.
Very good. Buti pa si GM. Si GM ang may si GM ang may birthday. Sabi ng book, talian ang book ba kasi tingnan mo book mo, puro icing.
Ay, sus. Tanik